So as you know, NSS is going to hold their blood donation drive on 25th Feb. So I just wanted to ask you a few questions about it. Have you ever donated blood?
Yeah,
How many times have you donated blood?
about 7 to 8.
7 to 8. That's a very good figure. Thank you for that. And where exactly did you donate blood?
DJ Sanghi.
At DJ Sanghi only. So like from the beginning, the
Yeah,
inception
earlier
of the...
it was in when I was in engineering college,
Yeah.
and then when I joined DJ Sanghi.
So would you like to describe the feeling that you felt after donating the blood? Like how did you feel exactly?
It is good. It is very nice. It is. Moreover, you don't feel. You just feel nervous before donating blood, but the after effects, that is, whether people feel physically weak and all. There's absolutely no feeling of physical weakness and all. One has to be just careful. That's all. Not stretch yourself a lot during that day, which is what I do myself. So I donate at the fag end of the day, and after that I pack up for a while.
So how safe do you think the setup?
Absolutely. It is absolutely safe. Blood donation camps or the banks that we get over here, they're all accredited by the respective agencies. So as regards decorum, as regards safety is concerned, it's a prime motto on all these banks. So that is the first thing that we need to ensure as a trust.
So as you know, it's completely safe. So why do you think people they don't generally donate blood? As in, you know, it's pretty much safe. It's actually a good thing, but there's still many people who are reluctant.
That is true. In this very college, in our own department, there are people who have lots of apprehensions. It is just that possibly they are a bit skeptical to take that first step.
Exactly.
And
So
after that is done, the inhibition once it is over, it's over. And sometimes it also has to do something with upbringing. In certain sects, in certain people, certain groups, it is advised not to donate or whatever. So that has got more to do with their own personal sensitivities and opinions.
right. How exactly would you like to encourage, convince these kind of people, those people who might be apprehensive about something like this, to donate blood?
Yeah, personally I try to make sure that all those who are there in our department, I at least ask them to come along. Being over there can at least be the reason for they to get enough motivation and courage to donate blood. And in case they are not able to do it outright, at least the process building starts internally. Once or the other, somewhere or sometime or the other, I'm sure they're going to take that step and start.
Right. So how exactly do you think our government, Indian government, should promote such activities? Like any views on that?
No, I am not so sure about Indian government. At least we on our part can always try to do.
Right. So
by
all of us
donating.
should
just
Okay.
proactively, and NSS cell over here is the students. In fact, they are doing a phenomenal job.
So I'm hoping you'll definitely donate blood.
Yeah.
25th February. Alright. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
मुश्किलों को जो संभल जाए, चट्टानों को जो निगल जाए, एक बूंद हर खुशी है, हर एक बूंद जिंदगी है, करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, करके देखो.
Why should people donate blood, and why is blood donation important?
People should donate the blood to save a patient's life in so many emergency conditions. After the surgery, or any patient has disease like thalassemia major, sickle cell anemia, or after chemotherapy, or maximally after the treatment of malignancy after the chemotherapy.
And how safe is blood donation, and will the donor suffer from any harmful effects during or after the donation?
Blood donation is a very safe procedure. It doesn't harm the donor at all.
जिंदगी एक कहानी है, थमता लहू वो तो पानी है, दो पल की जिंदगानी है, लहू बटे तो सुहानी है, करके देखो
college.
I just wanted to ask your views about it, your feelings. Like, how did you feel after donating your blood?
If you donate blood, you can save other life.
Yeah, one bottle saves 3 lives.
There is no harm donating blood.
Hello everyone, I would like to share something about blood donation today. I think blood donation is the most selfless deed that a person can do for someone. A spider bite may not transform you into a superhero, but a needle prick and a little bit of your time surely can. Not only does it help the person in need, but it also, the person who donates blood also gets a free health checkup, which I think is pretty awesome. And I think it keeps the iron levels in check of especially of males, which helps in reducing heart diseases as well as cancer. And I think the tears of a mother cannot save her child, but your blood surely can. So that is the reason we say that share a little, care a little, donate blood. Thank you.
चलो हम सब चले हैं, मुझे जिस्म को फिर जगाए, लहू के हर बूंद से जीवन की जो जलाए। करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, करके देखो अच्छा लगता है, करके देखो।
Have you ever donated blood before?
Yes. NSS, during NSS.
And you? Basically, why?
I have a phobia of needles.
Phobia of needles.
Yeah.
Okay, there's an excuse, but you need to come up out of that phobia. So once or the future may you once have to come.
Yeah, I'll definitely try.
So moving on, how many times?
So
As an
every
average.
time that I have been in college, from the start of the time that I've come to this college, I have. So which means probably 4 times now.
Excellent.
Every year.
And you?
One.
Once. So how was the experience of donating blood? But did you feel something good? Like
Yeah.
you have donated blood, you have
Of course.
see, one bottle blood can save 3 people's lives. So did you feel that you did a good deed?
It's really good. It's
Yeah.
a pleasant feeling.
Was it safe?
Yeah, always.
So ma'am, it was safe. You should donate blood this time. It can save 3 people's life.
Definitely, I think.
Yeah. Why do you basically think that people donate blood? What's their general idea about donating blood?
No, I don't know about people's idea, but I donated it because of the fact that I know about thalassemia as a condition. So it requires a lot of blood transfusions to be done, and that is one of the reasons why I donate blood. But I don't do it often. Every time that NSS does a camp, I do make sure that I do donate.
So you are aware of the fact that we can donate after every 3-4 weeks.
Yes. Yes.
These thalassemia patients require blood from time to time. Like every quarter of a year they require it. So and every year 7 lakh people in India are dying because of lack of blood of their time. So this video we are making is basically for the awareness of the people so that they can come out of their closure and they can donate blood. So moving on, what measures do you think that we should or government should take to aware the people about how important donating blood is?
Advertisements?
And look, this advertisement, what else do you think?
Probably plan a day, like how you have an organ donation day. You can have a national blood donation day of some sort like that. You know, like you have a national AIDS day, a World AIDS Day,
Yeah.
and a national organ donation day. You can have something like that, but I think NSS of different colleges is doing a perfectly good job at every college, because at least in our areas, like Mukesh Patel and Metabai and our college, I think everyone is donating blood pretty well. Everyone is organizing their own camps.
Yeah, the college is taking a big initiative.
ब्लड डोनेट करके देखो, सच में अच्छा लगता है।
ब्लड डोनेट करके देखो, अच्छा लगता है।
ब्लड डोनेट करके देखो, अच्छा लगता है।